name is Kelsey Valentine and I'm a registered pelvic floor physiotherapist at Save Off Physiotherapy. I'm going to be providing you today with a progression for the exercise that I gave in my last video. So just to review the last exercise that we gave, I'm just going to get Maura lying on her side and stacking her hips, lifting up her leg. So as I mentioned in the last video, this one can be helpful if you require a little extra stability around your hips during pregnancy. So try that again, lifting up and lowering back down. So this is kind of the basic version. If we want to make this a touch harder, we're going to add a little core activation at the same time. So I'm going to get you to bend your bottom knee. Good. Come up into a side plank. Good. And then try lifting that leg. Awesome. So this is a much harder version. If you want to make it even more challenging for your stability, up into a side plank completely with both feet and leg lift. This one can be quite challenging, so it might be something to work towards. If you have any questions about that, feel free to give us a message.